Magnet Wire Factory is one of 3 factories owned and managed by the United Industries company El Suwaidi, a subsidiary of El Suwaidi Cables, the leading cable manufacturer. UIC comes second to none in magnet wire, flat wire, and thin copper wire manufacturing in Africa and the Middle East, especially when it comes to product quality, technology used, production capacity, and cost control. This could be achieved only due to a strict commitment to nothing less than superior quality and the clear vision of client requirements.
UIC Suwaidi, we work as one family for ultimate customer satisfaction.
To achieve such mission, UIC has developed strategic partnerships with world technology providers such as Secma of Italy, MAG of Austria, Niehoff and Föhr of Germany, and many others.
When we decided to co-manufacture cables in the Middle East, it was very important for us to have the right partner. And we're very proud that we found the right partner in the form of the El Suwaidi Group.
We started back 1998 with a production capacity of 2,000 tons a year. Now we've reached 8,000 tons a year.
UIC started back in 1998 with a production capacity of 2,000 tons, increased to 8,000 tons in the year 2004, with an ambitious goal to reach 15,000 tons by the year 2010. Magnet wire is the prime product of UIC, which is committed to providing its full range. To ensure the highest quality possible, UIC uses the highest quality of raw materials such as the red copper with a purity rate of 99.98%. Starting by the drawing process on the Niehoff M85 heavy wire breakdown machine with an input wire diameter of up to 8 mm and an output range from 1.65 mm to 4.5 mm, and the intermediate M30 drawing machine with an input wire diameter of up to 3.5 mm and an output range from 0.27 mm and up to 1.6 mm. For our different drawing processes, only the finest quality lubricants from the best world suppliers such as Betoil and Zeller are used to ensure the highest consistency of wire diameter, the least powder amount on wire surface, and to have the highest elongation ratio that can reach up to 44%.
شركة مصر لصناعة الكباسات هي الشركة الوحيدة في مصر وفي العالم العربي وفي أفريقيا لإنتاج كباسات التبريد اللازمة للثلاجات المنزلية. وإحنا بنصدر 40% من إنتاجنا للخارج. وبفضل الله نجحنا في الحصول على سلك المعزول للمحرك الكهربائي بجودة ممتازة من الشركة المتحدة للصناعات السويدي.
UIC produces the full range of magnet wire starting from 0.08 mm and up to 5.2 mm wire diameters with grade 1, 2 or 3 installation on its Secma MAG machines according to client requirements. UIC uses the best varnish types from the best reputable ISO certified suppliers worldwide, such as Siva and Viking, subsidiaries of the market leader Atlanta Group, and according to the IEC 317 standards, using materials such as polysteramide, polyurethane, polystramide amidamide, polyvinyl formal. Throughout the whole production cycle, all processes are monitored effectively by our quality control engineers, who carry on several tests ranging from direct visual inspection to the real-time online installation continuity laser test to ensure a 100% zero defect product. UIC provides all types of packing according to the IEC 264 standards, either on cylindrical plastic spools or conical plastic spools. All spools are packed using protective cardboard. Labels with all necessary data for the client and for the manufacturer are attached. The fully packaged spools are arranged on plastic or wooden pallets, shrink-wrapped and kept in the final product warehouse till final delivery. In addition, UIC produces enameled flat wire up to 50 square millimeter in cross-section and paper insulated flat wire up to 120 square millimeter in cross-section. The copper wire undergoes rolling on the fur flat wire rolling machine with an input wire diameters of 8 mm, 10 mm, 13 mm and 16 mm. The flat wire is then annealed in special ovens using high temperatures up to 500 degrees centigrade in a nitrogen environment to prevent oxidation. This process gives the copper wire back its flexibility and renders it easily bendable. The paper insulated flat wire is insulated using epoxy and craft paper, which ensures maximum electrical insulation even under high temperature conditions of up to 105 degrees centigrade. The enamel flat wire is insulated on the SECMA vertical machine. The final product is then received on either 710 wooden reels or K355 plastic reels.
We are concentrating to raise local added value, to utilize locally manufactured material. One of this important material for us is magnetic wire. We replaced the quantities which we were importing before from Europe by using the local manufactured magnetic wire from LCD.
Besides the varnish insulated magnet wire and the flat copper wire, UIC also produces the thin copper wire used in special cables such as telephone, coaxial, control, instrumentation and audio cables. Thin copper wire is produced on the VZ300, the thinning machine, a one of its kind in the Middle East, as it can paint the copper wire with a thin layer of thickness up to 20 microns. The machine can produce thin copper wire with diameters ranging from 1.6 millimeter and up to 3.2 millimeter. And in case of a less diameter is required, a 2.5 millimeter thin copper wire can be drawn on the M30 machine to diameters less than 1.6 millimeter.
We are Ahmed Dawood and Company manufacturing electrical motors. We export 8% from our products to Europe and Middle East. We depend mainly on LSWD magnetic copper wire.
For ultimate customer satisfaction, UIC has always been keen to achieve the highest quality standards as proven by achieving the ISO 9001, QS 9000 and the Environment Compliance ISO 14001, and through the adoption of a comprehensive zero-defect total quality management system throughout the whole production cycle, starting from as early as raw materials used in production such as copper wire, varnish, tin, lubricants, and all other materials. Passing by various online tests and ending by a full sampling final product testing procedures that include physical tests such as measuring the wire diameter before and after installation, electrical tests such as continuity test, resistivity test, and tangent delta test, thermal tests such as cut-through test, chemical tests such as solderability test, and organic solvents resistance test, mechanical tests such as elongation test, spring back test, and peel test, and measurement of thin layer thickness for thin copper wire.
In less than 2 years, our exports reached 28% of our total capacity.
UIC products can now be found in more than 30 countries around the world, with more and more happy partners coming every day. UIC, market leader, globally competitive.